This is XREAL Beam Pro, and today I'll show all that there is to know about creating and managing screenshots on this device. So let's begin by learning how to take a screenshot in the first place. So the method you will use is the simultaneous press of volume down and power buttons. So press them at the same time, and as you can see, the screenshot gets captured. Now, in order to take a scrolling or a full page screenshot, you will need to simply take a regular one, and then here at this mini toolbar, press the Capture More option. Now, frame or crop how much more you would like to capture, all the way down or up to an entire page, and then simply save the result. When it comes to this mini toolbar, you can also tap at the screenshot miniature itself to start editing it right away. So as you can see, the Google Photos standard editing interface gets launched. Now let's see, you can swipe it to remove this toolbar, and that's about it. Now, in order to find all the screenshots you have captured, you will simply need to launch whatever gallery app you prefer using. Usually it is going to be Google Photos, but it doesn't matter really. Then go into albums or library or something of that sort. So here, let's see, collections for this particular app. And then go into albums. And as you will see now, or as you should see at least, all your screenshots are being automatically saved into their separate screenshots folder or screenshots category. And as far as this little video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.